Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva DIY. Today is my very first Halloween DIY video for the season, and I'm super excited to be participating in Heidi Sombel's DIY challenge. If you are not familiar with her channel, make sure you head on over, check her out. She is an amazing DIYer. I will have her channel linked down below, as well as the playlist for this challenge. So let's get started. I will be using this foam from Dollar Tree, and as well as these frames that came from Dollar Tree. I love the little galvanized metal, and I had this cutting board, I should say, or decorative cutting board for a while. There's actually something else on the other side, but I thought I utilize it. That way I save some space in my decor organization. I am also using a spray chalk spray paint for this, because I just want a really light coverage. I do not want full coverage. I want the wood to show a little bit. I'm just putting this cardboard underneath for that spray paint. So what do you guys think? Do you think we are going to be having Halloween this year? Are the kids gonna get to go trick-or-treating, or do you think it's gonna be banned? I do think that it's not gonna happen this year. Let me know down in the comments what you think. So once I was done spray painting this, I let it dry for a couple hours, just until it's no longer tacky to the touch. And then I moved on to cut out my ghost from the foam piece. That is the craft foam. I use the craft foam for my daycare crafts all the time. I think it's a wonderful piece of crafting material. I was originally going to cut it out on Cricut, but because I only needed 3 pieces and ghosts are fairly easy to cut out, I just used my craft knife from Dollar Tree to cut it out. I decided to cut 3 similar looking but yet different ghosts. I gave each of them a bit of a different characteristic. So are you guys starting your Halloween decorating or Halloween DIYs or crafts? I typically only decorate my house for Halloween the week leading up to it. I love fall and all things fall, but I don't want to incorporate too much Halloween into my fall decor because I put it out so early in September. And we also have Thanksgiving, it's right smack in the middle of October, so I like to incorporate some of the Thanksgiving decor into my fall decor as well. So that's why I wait till the week leading up to Halloween to do a little bit of Halloween decor. Also, not sure if you guys are familiar, I have a cooking channel as well, and currently I am participating in Fall Food Friday, which is a collaboration with very talented ladies over in the cooking world, and we are sharing fall recipes. So that's on every Friday evening, so make sure you head on over for some great cooking fall inspiration. I am so excited to be sharing my fall home tour with you guys. I will be sharing that over on my home channel, but I will also be sharing a DIY tour on my DIY channel, where I will show you how I use all these DIYs that I create in my home and decorate with them. Sometimes we create so many things and it's hard to incorporate them all, so I thought, you know, this would be a good way to show you how I do it. So now that the ghosts are all cut out, I take off the backing off of these frames. I was actually, the original dollar store that I went to didn't have them because our Dollar Trees aren't very good. I say this almost in every single video. But my friend went to a different Dollar Tree and they happened to have them, so she picked them up for me. And like I said, I take the backings off because I will be hot gluing these to the board, and I didn't want to have anything bulging up at the back. But before I hot glue them, I take my little ghosts and I clip them on. Now this is an excellent DIY that can be actually used for many seasons. You can also clip on jack-o'-lanterns on there. You can clip on bunnies, hearts. It could really be used for any season if you wish to. So my board is dried to the way I like it, and now I'm going to be hot gluing these frames to the board, and I try to space them out evenly. So here it is. I absolutely love the way it turned out. I think it's gonna be a great addition to my Halloween decor. I'm not quite sure where I'm gonna place it yet, but I'm sure once I'm ready to decorate for Halloween, I will know exactly where it goes. So I would like to thank you for stopping over and watching my video. If you're brand new, first time stopping by, I would love it if you considered subscribing, pressing the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future Halloween and fall DIYs that are coming your way. And also, make sure you check out my home channel as well as cooking channel. My home tour will be showcased on my home channel, so you don't want to miss that one. And also head on over to the playlist as well as Heidi's channel so you can check out all the other ladies participating. This was a DIY and Halloween challenge, so you are going to get a double whammy, some fall and some Halloween DIYs. And I would like to thank Heidi for hosting this challenge. I enjoy participating. I participate almost every month, and I'm looking forward to the next one. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.